From the Isle of Spice, a young man journeyed to Trinidad and Tobago and created what would become a landmark establishment in the heart of Point Fortin. With humble beginnings selling Morby and drops, to going on to becoming a nationwide and Caribbean distributor of pool tables, jukeboxes, and gaming machines while simultaneously running the Lake Hotel in Labrie. Our next awardee continues her father's legacy by managing and preserving this Frisco Junction landmark and a name which has become household in Point Fortin. Let us welcome our next awardee, the daughter of a former renowned Point Fortin business magnate, Mackie John. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Irma John of Mackie John and Sons Furniture and Appliance Store.